Hello, welcome to my craft studio. Today I would like to show you how to make a simple greeting card using clip art. Clip art is a type of graphic art and comes in many different forms. Today we will be using digital clip art that I generated with Midjourney AI by typing in words describing what kind of image I wanted it to create. We will not be discussing how to make clip art today, but rather about one of the many possible uses of it. We will be making a greeting card. The clip art used in today's video will be available free for you to use and make a card along with me today. You can get this free clip art by clicking the link below in the video description. There is a library of free downloads available to use. Just look for the clip art and MISC section in the library and choose Bunny Love Clip Art. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Choose your clip art image or download the free one provided for you in my website library. Now open your computer browser and go to canva.com, which is free to use. The Pro account will give you access to additional options, but try the free version first. In the upper right side of the screen, click Create a Design. Choose inches and type in 11 and 8.5 for the size. Now click Create New Design. Here, we will design our card. This will be a white card, so let's change the background to a different color so we can see the outline of the card better. Go to Elements and choose the square. Change the color to a light color. A light color will use less printer ink in this area that we will throw away. And adjust it to fill the whole page. Next, go to Elements and choose the square again. This will be the card, so let's adjust the size to 10 inches by 7 inches. The folded card will be 5 by 7 inches. Now center the card in the middle of the page. You will see a plus when it is in the center. This is important for when it is printed. We will now place a fold line down the center, go to Elements again, and type in line and choose one, and place the ends on the top and bottom of the card. Adjust your line so that it is thin and light in color. Next, we will upload our clip art into Canva. Click the Upload button on the left. Next, click the purple Upload Files at the top and choose our file with our clip art. Click your clip art and adjust the position and size. Now, let's add text. Type your greeting, adjust its size, change the font to suit your likes. Now change the card front to white. Doesn't that look fantastic? Next, to create the inside of the card, click Duplicate. Now on the second page, adjust the image smaller and click the greeting to erase. And add your own personal sentiment. It is now ready to print. Go to Share. Then download. Choose PDF Print and download. Now open the file on your computer and print to white cardstock. Select your printer and under More Settings, select Actual Size. Now print. Now it on a flat surface. Let's place a score line down the center of the card. It is time to cut the card out. This is the finished card. It turned out so cute. Please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more projects. Bye now.